Good morning. So let's see, I'm gonna do a little get ready with me today. Was talking to one of my subscribers and they wanted me to do some more European brands. I have an Odens Eye palette that I'd like to try out that I just got in the mail not that long ago. So just stay tuned and we'll get started. Okay, so I did my base makeup and I have two palettes from Odens Eye. I've got this one, it's called the Alva palette, and it looks like this. It's got this really cute little, well, it's washing it out, cute little fairy on the cover, and it has some little like flowers and all kinds of the cute stuff. And this is what the color story looks like. So pretty. And then I also have the Solmain palette, and this is what that looks like. Also very beautiful. And then this is what the color story looks like. So as far as these shadows go, this is a UK indie brand. I want to say in US dollars, I paid about $25 a piece for these. I'm just trying to figure out which one I want to use today. I'll swatch a couple of these for you. So let's see, I've got, for this pretty gold color up here. That's what it looks like on the finger. Wow. And then let's see, I'll do this purple. And then there's a navy blue in here. This one here. But it's really shimmery, so I'm going to swatch that one for you. We'll see what color it actually is. See, that's not really blue at all. That's pretty. That's like almost a burgundy color. And then that was the Solmain palette. I actually did a look with that one on Instagram already. And then I've got this one here. We've got Daisies, this yellow color. And then I'll do Cherry Blossom. Wow, look at that. Okay. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. And then I'm going to do Dahlia. So we've got, I did Daisy, Cherry Blossom, now I'm going to do Dahlia. And that's what that looks on my finger. Alright, so since I've already played with the Solmain palette, I think I'm going to go ahead and use this Alva palette here. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got this really beautiful palette. I'm just trying to think of what colors I want to put on my eyes. Alright, so we're going to color switch our brush. Of course, I'm always going to use the same brush. We'll see how long that lasts. So I think I'm going to do this Lotus color right here. And It's a nice light color. It's actually a really good crease color. And then I'm going to use this daisy down here in the bottom, that pretty little yellow color. I'm actually going to put that in the front. I'm putting it over that lotus color, but I've been doing these two-tone creases lately that I actually like.
I need this.
Okay, sorry about that. My daughter needed some attention. So I've got that yellow, the yellow front half, which is daisy, and then lotus in the back half. Then I'm going to use this one called Jasmine right here to kind of put on the brow bone and kind of blend both of those colors out. And then I'm going to grab a different brush. I think I need to go through my brushes. Let's do this one. This is from a BoxyCharm. I want to say, I don't know, it has a name, but I don't remember what it's by. I'm sure somebody has this brush and knows who it's by. So, let's see. I think I'm going to use this one here called Peony. I'm going to put that in my outer corner. I'm kind of going to bring it to a little bit of a point in the corner there. I'm trying this different color of the lights, and I'm not sure if I'm liking the color of lights. So I'm going to try to switch it and see if it's that might be a little better. You can see the colors a little better. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with that first brush and that first color lotus, just on the edges here. I don't know what it is, but I feel like it's not very pigmented. Maybe I'm using the wrong type of brush. I don't know. Alright, so I'm going to use another brush and use this sunflower right here on my inner portion of my eye. I'm going to try it without any spray first. See what happens. That's pretty. Blossom one, which is right here. I'm going to use that on my outer corner as well. Kind of from like this middle out. Kind of blend them a little bit together. I'm gonna actually wet the brush and see if it makes a better impact. So let's see. Oh yeah, that wet brush really brought out the shine. That's beautiful. I think I'm gonna do that with. Here, Belle, let me see. Is it dried up? You gotta put the lid back on it. There you go. I'm gonna do the same thing with that sunflower shade. Spray it. And put that on the inner portion. Look at that, just a little bit of spray. So pretty. Alright, so I think under my eye I'm gonna put this camellia right here. It's like a pink color. And then I'm kind of bringing it up and out to that outer edge. And then last but not least, I think I'm going to use, this lilac one right there. I'm going to use that on my inner corner. And I'm going to spray it. Wow, look at that. I'm going to carry it on down to the lower lash, just a little bit. So I would say, like, overall, these shadows are beautiful. I wish I would have got a little bit more pigment out of that yellow. Actually, I'm going to go back over it with this brush and just see if this one will deposit a little bit more pigment. And this is like a natural haired brush. Yeah, I feel like that deposited more color. Let's try that with that Lotus shade too. I feel like that did a better job depositing that color. I'm gonna go back in with Daisy. It is a beautiful yellow. Alright, so I would say that's pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and do my waterline, the other eye, eyebrows, and mascara, and I will be back. Thanks. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Let me go ahead and show you. So I used this Will-O-The-Wisp. It is from an indie brand called Apocalyptic Beauty. It's just a pretty lip gloss, like an iridescent lip gloss. And then I used this for my highlight. It's a skin graft from Mater Makeup Labs. And it actually just looks white, but it's not. It has like all the colors of the rainbow in it. So I used that on my cheeks. And then I finished off both eyes. I used the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. I used Shockwave LA Girl Neon in Screamin' in the waterline. And then of course I used my Makeup Revolution brow pomade. Probably use this for the next year because I've had it forever and it's lasted forever. But that is all. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel down below, and also you can follow me over on Instagram and then like this video if you get a chance. All right, thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.